Yes, be ready. 5 seconds. Start. The Supreme Court of India on Monday bracket start April 11 bracket close transferred the investigation in the case of death of a minor girl in a boarding school in Uttar Pradesh to the Central Investigation Bureau within bracket CBI stop. The bench has directed the state of Uttar Pradesh and state of Haryana to hand over the papers documents regarding investigation to the CBI within 4 weeks stop. A bench comprising Justice Ajay Rastogi and Justice C.T. Ravi Kumar issued the direction in a special leave petition filed against Punjab and Haryana High Court's order refusing to transfer investigation from local police in UP and Haryana to CBI stop. Let papers documents regarding investigation be handed over to the CBI by the state of Uttar Pradesh and state of Haryana in reference to the FIRs number 332 2020 and 365 2020 within 4 weeks, and CBI is permitted to further investigate into the allegations made by the petitioner within further periods of 4 weeks. The bench recorded stop. The petitioner was represented by Advocate Shyam Manohar Stop. The present case relates to death of a 14 years old girl who was allegedly found hanging in classroom of her boarding school in 2020 stop. The family of the deceased girl has alleged that it's a case of rape and murder stop stanza. The court had on 8th December last year issued notice on the case stop. The transfer had been sought in relation to 2 FIRs, one registered in UP for murder and alleged rape of minor girl bracket start petitioner's daughter bracket close, and second FIR in Haryana for abduction of her parents and 2 siblings stop. The petitioner, who is the deceased girl's mother, has argued that the case involves a heinous crime of alleged rape and murder against her minor daughter, followed by a continuous chain of crimes against her family members, like their abduction from Noida to Haryana via Delhi stop. According to the girl's family, the school's principal called them to the school, and once they reached, he along with 5 other snatched their phones so they would not take pictures or call police stop. They were then told that their daughter is dead and shown their daughter hanging from the roof in a classroom stop. According to the petition, the girl's family was alleged that they were wrongfully confined in a classroom and were forced to sign blank papers and compelled to cremate the girl's body without calling police or doing post-mortem under threat that if they make noise, their other children studying in the same school will face similar consequences. Stop stanza. The girl's family has also alleged that the same evening they were abducted by 2 goons under instructions of the principals to kill them if they make noise, and were finally dropped in Haryana. Stop stanza. According to the petition filed through Advocate Shyam Manohar, the girl's family was aggrieved by no action on part of the police in both UP and Haryana, moved the High Court seeking transfer of investigation, but the same was not granted stop. The petitioner has argued that the principal and other accused committed a cruel, barbaric and act by not informing either police and any doctor to save life of the minor girl and kept the body hanging in the classroom stove. The crime that started with alleged rape and then murder of a minor girl and which was followed by other offences like 495, 120B, 380, 365, 506 IPC against mother, father, minor, sister and brother of the deceased girl. The petition states, stop. The transfer of investigation has been short, arguing that the series of crime involved in present case was committed within the territorial jurisdiction of three states, namely UP, Haryana and Delhi. Stop. The mother of the deceased minor girl has sought for investigation by CBI or some other independent agencies, raising following question of law. Stop. Why police was not informed by the school about the minor's death. Stop. Investigation into whether accused acted on the advice of police after murder of minor. Stop. Why no postmortem of minor was conducted. Stop. As per the police closure report, a suicide note was received by them from a private forensic lab, which according to the petitioner makes it clear that a fake suicide note has been created with help of a private lab. Stop. Why no CCTV footage of the school or call records of accused was collected by police in both FIR. Stop. Why no 164 statement was recorded and no accused was arrested in both FIRs. Stop. Stanza.